talk about licensing, I mean, what we really have is a new currency. IP is money. You got to, if you think about IP, it's money. That's really what it is. And you say, well, how can it be money? It's just intellectual property. Yes, but there's a lot of things you can do with it. Basically, what you can do with your IP is you can get royalty payments for it, you can get consulting payments, you can get equity, option fees, you can share it and swap it. Okay, you can use it to get development or production money, you can use it to get advertising money. There's many ways that you can use IP if you're willing to open up and think about your IP as a currency, because there's value to it, especially if you've got an IP that you've developed and you're ready to enter a market where you've got potentially big sales. So why don't you go find a company to license it? And typically what happens on that is you can find a partner and you do a two-tier licensing deal that says they're interested in it, but they don't necessarily want to take the risk on a full license. So you do, the first tier is they're willing to take the risk on helping you develop it out. And then you've got to share some equity in. And if they're able to successfully get it to a certain point of development where they can test it and it works, then it goes to the second phase, which is a license agreement for them to go and commercialize it in the market. I'll give you the rights for this in return for distribution. I mean, there's many ways you can use IP.